Hello everyone! Today for our mini assignment, we're going to be working on shading again. We're going to be working on shading spheres. So I'm just going to go ahead and label the top of my paper, shading spheres. So last week we worked on value and creating value. We're going to continue to do that. We did a little demo on how to shade a sphere. In this assignment, we're going to be working on continuing to shade spheres, but with different light sources. So for this, you're going to divide your paper into quarters. You're not going to need any colors for this, just a pencil. So let's go ahead and start in this corner first, and we're going to draw a circle. In fact, you can go ahead and draw a circle in all of them. All right, so let's start off with this one in the top. Zoom in just a little bit. All right, so we're gonna decide on where its light source is. So we're going to, for this one, have the light source coming from this side. And remember, we're gonna label that with an arrow. So if the light is coming from here, then the light is going to be shining directly onto the ball about right here. And we're gonna indicate that by using a circle for the highlight. The shadow is gonna be directly across from that on the ground. It's like shaped like an oval. And that's gonna be the darkest part. So what you can do now is go ahead and color this in as dark as you can. So now that this is the lightest and this is going to be the darkest, you're going to now take the dark and you're going to bring it up to the light with value. So you're going to shade. Remember, if you get too dark, too long, you can always erase. If it's too light too fast, you can always make it darker. I'm going to erase my line for my circle. This is just a placeholder. Now if you want to use your finger and blend a little bit, you can, but that's the first one. For the next one on the right, I want you to have your light source at the top right. So that means your light is going to be hitting the sphere about right here. In this one, I want you to do the same thing you did for this other one, but I want you to have the light source hitting the highlight and wherever the shadow is going to be. I need you to show me that in this one. I'm not going to do it for you. I'd like to see how you do. On this one, our light source is coming from the top. Therefore, our highlight is going to be at the top of the ball. Our shadow is actually going to be below this. So in this one, you're going to shade going up. So you're going to go dark to light. So this being the darkest, and then you're going to shade dark to light. On this one, you're going to be having the highlight or the light source coming from the bottom. That means the light is going to hit about right here. And in terms of our shadow, we're going to pretend that it's on a wall. Is going to be on the wall this time, so it's behind it, and this is going to be the darkest area, so therefore this is going to go dark to light. I'll show you what it all looks like in just a moment.